Hello, I am Dr. Vijay Bhaskar Nori. I am the Chief Radiologist and Director of Vista Imaging and Medical Center, Hyderabad. When I was doing my post-graduation in radiology at Visakhapatnam between 1989 and 1992, we had very few modalities like ultrasound and a very primitive CT scanner. At that time, the main diagnostic tools were only X-rays and contrast studies. Subsequently, many of the latest technologies have evolved, and today we are at a level where you can look at micron level abnormalities and at the cells and in the body. So, having gone through a very primitive era during my post graduation times, I always wanted to keep up with the latest technology in radiology, and in that pursuit Vista Imaging has been started, and I have got very high-end equipment available at Vista Imaging, making sure that all the advances in the world are available in the equipment, which is a CT scan and MRI. My passion always has been to give the best radiology report, to give the best radiology technology available in the world, make it available to the general public and make it available at place wherever I work. In that pursuit, I have got trained myself in all the latest modalities, including high-end cardiac CT, high-end MRI, MRI liver, MRI elastography, MRI angiography, and more importantly, have got trained in USA for cardiac CT modality and got enriched myself in these training procedures. Radiology, as you know, is vital in giving an accurate diagnosis and pinpoint diagnosis, which is in turn more important for the treating doctors to make correct decision and also to plan the treatment accordingly.